Planting trees indoors offers many advantages, such as improving air quality by filtering pollutants and increasing oxygen levels. Starting with fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata. The fiddle leaf fig hails from the jungle, so a bright living room would be an ideal indoor location if you protect the tree from drafts and give it enough bright filtered light and humidity. Money tree, Pachira aquatica. It is a popular indoor plant believed to bring good luck. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil. Rubber tree, Ficus elastica. Rubber trees are hardy, attractive indoor plants known for their thick, glossy leaves. They thrive in bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions. Lady palm, Rapis excelsa. It is a popular palm specimen to grow as an indoor tree thanks to its ability to tolerate low light conditions. It also has a slow growth rate, meaning it won't take up much space in a room. The lace leaf philodendron, also known as Philodendron bipinnatifidum, is a striking indoor plant with large, deeply lobed leaves. Bird of paradise, Strelitzia. This tropical houseplant is popular for its large leaves and exotic flowers that range in color from creamy white to bright orange. Umbrella tree, Scaphilera. The umbrella tree is a popular indoor plant known for its glossy, hand-shaped leaves. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can adapt to lower light conditions. Tree, Crassula ovta. The jade tree is probably the lowest maintenance indoor tree on this list, making it perfect for beginners and anyone who doesn't have a lot of time to care for houseplants. Yucca. The yucca tree features a solid trunk with leathery strap-like leaves emerging from the top. Groups of 3 in a pot with staggered heights look very attractive. Areca palm, Dipsis luteins. Areca palms are commonly grown as houseplants as well as landscape plants in tropical climates. These palms have a clumping growth habit with many stems much like bamboo. Ming aralia, Polycias fruticosa. The Ming aralia is an elegant indoor tree known for its delicate, feathery foliage and compact growth. Ponytail palm, Bocania recurvata. These are popular indoor trees thanks to their slow growth rate and long lifespan. It usually takes several years before a young ponytail palm reaches even a few feet tall, so these are perfect plants for desktops and other surfaces. Grass cane, Dracena masangana. This lush houseplant is known for its stocky stems and long, light green leaves. While it prefers bright, indirect light, it can tolerate low light, making it a versatile choice for indoors. Fountain palm, Livistona chinensis. The fountain palm, also known as the Chinese fan palm, should be watered frequently and kept in bright but indirect light to thrive. Dragon tree, Dracena marginata. It is a stunning houseplant with its sword-shaped green leaves with red edges. This plant is quite hardy and easy to care for. Area heterophylla. These are elegant indoor evergreens with soft feathery branches. They prefer bright and direct light and slightly moist well-draining soil, avoid overwatering. These trees thrive in cooler indoor temperatures. Majesty palm, Ravinia revularis. If you're looking for a larger indoor tree, the Majesty palm is a very attractive palm tree with large, arching green fronds on multiple stems. Bamboo tree, Bambusoides. The bamboo tree is a popular indoor plant known for its slender, elegant stems and minimalist look. Dumb cane, Dieffenbachia. Dumb cane is a popular indoor plant with large, attractive leaves often marked with vibrant green, white or yellow patterns. It thrives in moderate to bright and direct light and prefers well-draining soil kept slightly moist.